just waiting for the guys to show up, and then we're walking and finding a couple spots like this. Take care of your shit, people. Come on, you're making others look bad. More shit from magnet fishers that don't take care of their crap. People, if you're gonna magnet fish, take it with you or throw it in the dump. Just don't leave it. What's the point of magnet fishing if you're not cleaning the environment when you're leaving it? Makes me so angry. We have Danny Dead, Minnie Jam, and Elijah from Badger Exploration, and we're going to be magnet fishing here in Lansing. As you can see, there's our capital, and yeah, it'll be a fun time. So, second throw out, I got something. Let's see what it is. Nice piece of rebar. We moved up from here to down here, and I got something. An old hanger, I think. Clothes hanger. Isn't that pretty? I think it's cast iron. And then just a bunch of hunk of junk. A bunch of hunk of junk. Sorry about that. Camera angle? Oof. So I just got some angle iron, that's what it is, and a couple hunks of chunks. If you want a magnet from Kratos, use code MJ12 and get 12% off. What do you got? It looks like a knife.
Probably part of one.
That's an old pocket watch, Jack. Nice job.
Pocket watch.
Oh, it's a handle. It's a handle of a knife. Good job. What did you get?
I got a lock.
Put it there, you brat. Nice. I just got an old-fashioned camera with the hook, thanks to Elijah.
I have someone. Whoa! Yeah, nice. Oh, that's a cool film camera.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Old school.
Well, Freedom Dual 60 Minolta. Right on. You know, I used to shoot a Minolta similar to.
What did you find?
In here. Pretty cool.
Oh, the handle rode it off.
I wonder if that's the same handle.
No.
That's awesome.
Let's see.
I take this off.
No. Yeah, that's just.
Yeah, the tape's. Yeah, take the tape off. It might split it open.
Nice find.
Nice.
What did you find?
Looking at it, I think I found mine. Because it has 5 cents right there.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Woo!
Okay, so Badger thinks it's a token.
We found a bunch of these in a spot I'd found in Green Bay, Wisconsin with Danny and Rusty Magnets about a year ago. But ours were old mining and logging company coins.
Oh, cool.
Because they used to pay them not in.
So Danny's taking a break. And there's Elijah from Badger Explorations. And I'm up here on the bridge. And I just found myself a knife. Jack got stuck, and Elijah got her unstuck. Seems like with ease too. She's on the phone, and Jack's holding his phone. Go. So the cop came for a gun, and this gentleman is falling asleep, and they're having a hard time talking with him. He wouldn't wake up for me when I talked to him, and I was right there screaming at him, and he was not oriented very well.